So today in 9th standard mathematics, first chapter we are going to learn about set language. So already you have studied definition of a set, representation of a set. So what are the representation of a set? Set builder form, roster form, descriptive form. So now we are going to learn about types of sets. So in types of sets, first one is finite set. So now what is meant by finite set? For example, so Rani, get up. How many members are there in your family? 5. Very good, sit down. So next one, Ramu, get up. How many days are there in a week? 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you can count the number of elements in a set. It is called finite set. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many elements are there in a set? 4 elements are there in set A. So that's why, so what is the definition of a finite set? Means a set with finite number of elements. A set with finite number of elements is called a finite set. So second one, infinite set. So infinite set means, for example, so in night when you look at the stars, can you count the stars in the sky? So you can't count it. So when you are counting 1, 2, 3, it goes on, uncountable. So set of natural numbers. So set of natural numbers n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. It goes on. Set of whole numbers. So set of whole numbers, how you will write? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So you can't, it is uncountable. A set which is not finite is called an infinite set. For example, B is equal to 5, 10, 15, etc. So what is this? Set B is equal to, what is this? Set of multiples of 5. Set of multiples of 5. So it goes on 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. So third one is empty set. Empty set. So the word itself says nothing is there. So empty set is also known as empty set or null set or void set. A set consisting of no elements is called the empty set. So it is denoted by 5 or curly brackets with no elements. So no element should be inside the bracket. For example, so you say one example for empty set? The set of even numbers between 1 and 2. So there is no set of even numbers between 1 and 2. You have set of integers between 1 and 2. So no. So you can write it as null set. So next one, fourth one is a singleton set. So singleton. So the word single. So single means what it denotes? It denotes 1. A set which has only one element. A set which has only one element, it is called as singleton set. For example, the set of even prime numbers. The set of even prime numbers. So what is the even prime number? So you have only one even prime number. So that, what is that? So that is 2. The set of even prime number is only 2. So this is called as what? Singleton set. So first, what is the first one? Finite set. So finite set means if you can count the number of elements in a set, it is called finite set. That is a set with finite number of elements. It is called finite set. Second one is infinite set. So infinite set means you can't count the number of elements it is in a set. It is uncountable. A set which is not finite, it is called as infinite set. So next one, empty set or null set, or you can say it as void set. A set consisting of no elements. So no elements in the set, it is called as what? Empty set. So fourth one is singleton set. So the word itself says single, that is 1. A set which has only one element. Only one element, it is called as what? Singleton set. For example, what I have given, the set of even prime number. What is the set of even prime number? Only 2 is there. So now we will do the exercise sums related to finite set, infinite set, empty set and singleton set. So first in exercise 1.2, second sum, that is identify the following set as finite or infinite. So you have to identify the following set as whether it is finite set or infinite set. So, first subdivision, see, X is equal to, set X is equal to the set of all districts in Tamil Nadu. Set X is equal to the set of all districts in Tamil Nadu. So, totally how many districts are there in Tamil Nadu till now is 38 districts are there in Tamil Nadu. So, you can count it easily. There are 38 districts in Tamil Nadu. So, it is a finite set. So, what you can say, it is a finite set. Second one, second subdivision, y is equal to the set of all straight lines passing through a point. So, this you would have learnt in geometry, that is the set of all straight lines passing through a point. Suppose if you take a point, so you are drawing how many lines it passes through a point, you can draw many lines, it passes through the same point. So, what you can say, it is an infinite set. So, you count the number of lines. So, you will say it as what? Infinite set. It is an infinite set. Third subdivision, A is equal to X such that X belongs to Z. So, Z denotes what? Integers, and X less than 5. So, how you will read this? A is equal to X such that X belongs to Z and X less than 5. So, X less than 5 and X is what is given? It is an integer. So, X less than 5 means how you will write the set? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So, it goes on till infinity, it goes on. So, what you will say this set? It is an infinite set. You will say it as an what? Infinite set. So, because etc. it goes on minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, it goes on like that. So, fourth subdivision, B is equal to X such that X square minus 5X plus 6 is equal to 0, X belongs to N. So, N denotes natural number. So, X square minus 5X plus 6 is equal to 0, it is a quadratic equation you would have studied in 8th standard. So, how you will factorize this quadratic equation means, so plus 6, when you are multiplying you should get plus 6, when you are adding or subtracting you should get what? Minus 5. So, how you will do this? So, minus 3 minus 2, minus 3 into minus 2 what you will get? Plus 6, minus 3 minus 2 what you will get? Minus 5. So, you can write it as X minus 3, X minus 2 is equal to 0. So, X minus 3, X minus 2 is equal to 0 means, so X minus 3 equal to 0. So, you will get X is equal to 3, X minus 2 equal to 0. So, you will get X is equal to 2. So, X, you will get the values of X as X is equal to 3 and X is equal to 2. So, it is a finite set. So, what you will say? It is a finite set. So, next one we will go to the fourth sum, that is identify the following sets as null set or singleton set. First subdivision, A is equal to X such that X belongs to N. So, N is a natural number. So, natural numbers means you know N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. 1 less than X less than 2. That is X lies between 1 and 2. So, whether you have the natural numbers between 1 and 2, no. So, it is a empty set. What you will get? You will get an empty set. Empty set. Next one, B, second subdivision. B is equal to the set of all even natural numbers which are not divisible by 2. So, they did not give us divisible, even numbers which are not divisible by 2. So, even numbers means it is divisible by 2 only. Here the question is given as even numbers which are not divisible by 2. So, that also you will get it as what? Empty set. So, it is an empty set. So, next one, third subdivision, C is equal to 0, singleton set. So, only one element is there in a set bracket. So, you will say it as a singleton set. You will say it as a singleton set. One element is there means it is a singleton set. Fourth subdivision, D is equal to the set of all triangles having 4 sides. So triangles means all of you will know. So triangles, it has how many sides? 3 sides. So here what is given? Triangles having 4 sides. So there is no triangle with 4 sides. So it is an empty set. It is an empty set. So to discuss further types of sets, so you need to know about cardinality of sets. So now you learn what is meant by cardinal number. So cardinal number of a set. Suppose if you take A is equal to A, B, C, D. So set A is equal to A, B, C, D. So here how many elements are there in a set? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 elements in a set. So it is denoted as n of A is equal to 4. So n of A means number of elements in set A. Number of elements in set A is equal to 4. Suppose B is equal to 1, 2, 3. Can anyone say what is n of B? 3. The number of elements in set B is equal to 3. So cardinal number of a set means the number of elements in a set. Next we will move on to equivalent set. Suppose for example if you take A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 3, 4. So how many elements are there in set A? N of A is equal to 2 and N of B is equal to, so that is also 2 elements. So here N of A is equal to N of B. So from this itself you can say the definition for equivalent sets. Suppose if you are taking 2 sets A and B, if the number of elements in a set, number of elements in the sets are same, it is called as what? Equivalent sets. So equivalent set is denoted by A is equivalent to B. Next one, equal sets. A is equal to F, I, L, E. B is equal to L, I, F, E. So here F is there. So here also you have F, I, L, L, E, E. Suppose if you are taking 2 sets A and B, so exactly same elements should be there. Exactly same elements should be there and number of elements also should be same. So number of elements also should be same. So exactly you should have the same elements. So F, I, L, L, E, E. So here N of A is equal to 4, N of B is equal to 4 and the elements also is same. So this you can say it as what? Equal sets. So when 2 sets are said to be equal means, so exactly same number of elements and number of elements also should be same. Next one is unequal sets. So unequal sets means C is equal to R, A, T. D is equal to W, H, I or else O. So W, H, O. So whether the elements are same, so the elements are not same. So you will say it as an unequal set, that is C is not equal to D. C is not equal to D. So unequal sets means, so the elements will not be same in both the sets. Suppose if you take E is equal to A, C, B and F is equal to B, R, T. So this is also unequal set. So even if one element is not same, it is an unequal set. So now we are going to see about the exercise sums related to cardinal number and equivalent, unequal or equal sets. So in exercise 1.2, first sum, find the cardinal number of the following sets. First subdivision is M is equal to P, Q, R, S, T, U. So you want to find out the cardinal number. So what is meant by cardinal number? Number of elements in the set. So here N of M, number of elements in the set M. So how many elements are there in the set M? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N of M is equal to 6. Third subdivision, Q is equal to Y such that Y is equal to 4 by 3N, n belongs to n. So, that is small n belongs to capital N. That capital N denotes what? Natural numbers, and 2 less than n less than or equal to 5. That is n lies between 2 and less than or equal to 5. So, what will be the values of n? So, n is equal to, you will take it as 3, 4 and 5. So, what are the values? N is equal to 3. So, when n is equal to 3, so what is the value of y? Y is equal to 4 by 3 into 3. So, what you will get? 4 by n. So, next one, when n is equal to 4. So, when n is equal to 4, so what you will write? Y is equal to 4 by 3 into 4, that is equal to 4 by 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, that is 1 by 3. So, next one, when n is equal to 5, so less than or equal to, it is given, you have to include 5 also. So, when n is equal to 5, so what you will get here? Y is equal to 4 by 3 into 5, that is equal to 4 by 15, 4 by 15. So, now what will be the set Q? Q is equal to 4 by n, 1 by 3, 4 by 15. So, how many elements are there in set Q? So, n of Q is equal to, what you will write? N of Q is equal to 3, 1, 2, 3. So, n of Q is equal to 3. Next, fourth subdivision, R is equal to x such that x is an integers. So, integers means you know x belongs to z and minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 5. Minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 5. So, R is equal to, how you will write this? Means R is equal to minus 5. You have to include minus 5 because less than or equal to it is given. So, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, whether you should include 5? No, because less than, only less than 5 it is given. So, write till 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 elements are there. So, how you will write this? N of R is equal to 10. So, number of elements in the set R is equal to 10. So, have you understood what is meant by cardinal number? So, cardinal number means number of elements in the set. So, now we will go on to the third one, third sum in exercise 1.2. So, you have to say which of the following sets are equivalent, unequal or equal. So, first subdivision, listen here. A is equal to the set of vowels in the English alphabet. So, what are the set of vowels in the English alphabet? So, A is equal to, what you will write? Set A is equal to A, comma, E, comma, I, O, U. So, the set of vowels are what? A, E, I, O, U. Next one, B is equal to the set of all letters in the word vowel. So, B is equal to, so letters in the word vowel means how you will write? V, comma, O, comma, W, comma, E, comma, L. So, whether it is equal set, so it is not a equal set because by seeing you can say A is not there, E is there, I, so it is not a equal set. So, check whether it is an equivalent set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, n of A is equal to 5. So, n of B you check it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, n of A is equal to 5 and n of B is equal to 5. So, what set you can say? If the number of elements in a set are equal means you can say it as what? Equivalent sets. You can say it as what? Equivalent sets. Second subdivision, C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. So, C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. So, D they have written in set builder form. So, D is equal to X such that X belongs to whole number. W is a whole number. 1 less than X less than 5. So, X lies between what? 1 and 5. So, what will be the first you list it in roster form. So, how you will write this? D is equal to 2, 3, 4 and C is equal to what you are getting? 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it does not comes under equivalent also. So, it does not comes under equal sets also. So, what you can say about this set? So, it is a unequal sets. So, it is a unequal sets. So next one, fourth subdivision, G is equal to x such that x is a prime number, x such that x is a prime number and 3 less than x less than 23. So that is x is greater than 3 and x should be less than 23, that is what? Prime numbers. So G is equal to, so what you can write between x 3 and 23, so 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, so that's all. So 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So next one, what is given? H is equal to x such that x is the divisor of 18. So what will be the divisor of 18? H is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So here whether you can say it is an equal set, so it is not an equal set. So check whether it is an equivalent set. So count the number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 elements are there in N of G. Next one in set H, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here number of elements are same. N of G is equal to 6, N of H is equal to 6. So what you can say, it is an equivalent set. You can say it as a equivalent set. The set P is equal to x such that x belongs to Z. So Z denotes what? Integers. So what is given here? -1 less than x less than 1 is a, so what you have to say, what type of set it is. So integers means, so how you will have the x lies between what? -1 and 1. So -1 and 1. What is the number between -1 and 1? So it is only a 0. So 0 means, so only you will write 0. So what type of set is this? It is a singleton set. Singleton set. So classify the following set as finite, infinite, empty or singleton set. So now I won't say, you have to say what type of set it is. You have to identify it. First one, the set of odd natural numbers between 7 and 10. So what is given here? Odd natural numbers between 7 and 10. So what is the odd natural number between 7 and 10? So first, what is the natural numbers between 7 and 10? It is 8 and 9. Natural numbers between 7 and 10 is 8 and 9. So what is given here? Odd natural numbers. So what is the odd natural number? So the odd natural number will be only 9. So what type of set is this? Can you say? Singleton set. Very good. So it is a singleton set. Second one, A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. means, so what you can say? So you have etc. So etc. means, so it goes on. So it is an infinite set. So 0, it is starting from 0 means what type of set? What you will say? Set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers. So what type of set is this? It is an infinite set. It is an infinite set. Understood? So next one, the set of months having 40 days. So in a month, how many days you will have? So you will have either 30 days or 31 days. Here what is given here? The set of months having 40 days. Whether a month is having 40 days? No. So what type of set is this? So it is an empty set. So what type of set is this? It is an empty set. So it is an empty set. So next one, fourth one, what is given here? B is equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 10. So what is meant by prime number? So prime number means what? A number which is divisible by 1 and itself. So it is divisible by itself or it is divisible by 1. So prime numbers less than 10. So what are the prime numbers less than 10? So B, set B is equal to, so either 1 is a prime number, no, 1 is not a, neither prime nor composite. So next 2, so 2 is a prime number because it is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 1. So next one, 3. 4, whether 4 is a prime number? No. So why 4 is not a prime number? Because it is divisible by 2 also. So 4 you can't write. So next one 5. So whether 6 is a prime number? No, 6 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 3. So next 7. So whether 7 is a prime number? Yes, 7 is a prime number because it is divisible by itself and 1. So next one 8. So 8 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 2, 4 and all. So next one 9. So 9 is also not a prime number because it is divisible by 3. So here what is given? X such that x is a prime number less than 10, only less than 10. So what are the numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7. So what type of set is this? Finite, infinite, empty or singleton set. So you can count the number of elements in a set. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there. So here you will say it as what? Finite set. So what type of set is this? Finite set. So next one, find the cardinal number of the following sets. So what I said, what is meant by cardinal number? Cardinal number means number of elements in a set. Number of elements in a set. So here what is given here? First one, G is equal to x such that x belongs to n. N denotes what? Natural numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. So x less than 8. X less than 8. So here how you will write this means G is equal to, so only less than 8 it is given. So it start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So whether you have to write 8? No, you should not write 8 because it is given as less than 8. So suppose if it is given as less than or equal to 8 means you have to include 8. So here you write till 7. So what is n of G is equal to? So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n of G is equal to 7. Number of elements in set G is equal to 7. So next one, J is equal to the set of months in a year. J is equal to the set of months in a year. So how many months are there in a year? So n of J is equal to, so you have to denote it as number of elements in set J. Number of elements in set J is equal to 12. So next what and all we have studied? So we have studied equal sets, equivalent sets and unequal sets. So what is meant by equal sets? So number of elements also should be same. So exactly same elements you should have in both the sets. Next one is equivalent sets. So equivalent sets is, so the number of elements in a set should be same. Suppose if you are taking set C and set D, so the number of elements, that is cardinal number of elements, should be same. So next one, unequal sets. So unequal sets means, so even if you are taking two sets means even if one set is different, so you can say it is unequal. So you will say it as C is not equal to D.